Imagine this, a simple clip of a cat chopping a carrot or eating steak. Boom! Millions of views. It trends on TikTok, it goes viral on YouTube, and the channel owner makes thousands of dollars. Crazy, right? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these viral cat videos and actually make money from them. Stick around, because this tutorial might just change your digital life. But here's the good news. You don't need a real cat, you don't need an expensive camera, and you don't even need professional editing skills. All you need is a regular laptop or phone, an internet connection, and a few AI tools. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. Step 1 is ChatGPT. This is where we generate the prompts that will later create our images and videos. I've got 2 prompts ready, one for funny cat images and one for turning those images into videos. Just paste them into ChatGPT, and instantly you get 5 unique prompts for images and 5 for videos. In under a minute, you've got a whole bank of ideas to start creating. Now it's time for Leonardo AI. This is where the image magic happens. Go into Image Generation, set the model to Phoenix 1.0, style to dynamic, and size to Shorts/TikTok format. Then paste in the prompt, one by one. Each prompt gives you 5 different images. In just a few minutes, you'll have dozens of unique cat images, chopping veggies, eating noodles, whatever you want. And this is where you realize how insanely fast content creation can be with AI. Here comes the most exciting part, turning images into videos. Head into Hailuo AI, upload the cat images we created in Leonardo, and paste in the video prompts from ChatGPT. Hit Generate. And within minutes, your cats come to life. Those static pictures are now moving, cooking, eating, doing funny stuff. With just a handful of clips, you already have enough content for a full YouTube short or TikTok video. Our video is almost done, but it's missing one key element: music. Music is everything in viral videos. That's why we go to Suno AI. First, ask ChatGPT to write a short, relaxing song lyric. Then ask it to summarize the music style in one line, like relaxing lo-fi instrumental. Paste both into Suno under Custom, and boom! Suno generates several unique tracks just for you. Pick your favorite, download it, and we're ready for the final edit. Now we bring it all into Filmora. This is the fun, creative part. Drop in the videos from Hailuo, add the Suno soundtrack, and for extra realism, layer in sound effects like chopping veggies or munching sounds. You can also add funny captions like, when your cat becomes Gordon Ramsay.
The path you made. Peaceful find the path you.
Throw in some fast transitions and boom, your viral video is ready. And that's today's tutorial. You saw how we used ChatGPT, Leonardo, Hailuo, and Suno to create a complete viral video in just a couple of hours. No real cats, no pro gear, no editing experience. So if you want to shine on YouTube or TikTok, this is the perfect place to start. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss the next awesome AI tutorial.